Welcome to a breath of fresh air, my beloved YouTube family. Spring has arrived, awakening life in the loveliest of ways. Soft fur against my cheek, playful little moments of joy, and that unmistakable feeling of the world stirring gently back to life. Carrying that same spirit into the space, I wanted to refresh the living room in a color that feels perfectly attuned to the season. A soft, graceful, muted sage green. This is not only the color of the season, but also one I have rather surprisingly grown to love. Changing the lampshades was a small shift, but it immediately began setting the tone for the entire room. I draped the sofa in a cream throw detailed with muted green botanical motifs, letting the first hint of spring settle gently into the space. A pair of Chinoiserie cushions followed, lending the sofa a graceful sense of harmony. The coffee table blossoms with a romantic garden rose arrangement beautifully composed in a green Chinoiserie vase. Complementing it, a dainty porcelain bowl from my antique collection holds sweet French marshmallow treats, adding a gracious little note of charm and hospitality. A darling ginger jar candle, scented with jasmine, gently awakens the senses. To grace and honor the beauty of the mantel, the most captivating feature in my living room, only a grand, florabundant composition of classically elegant white hydrangeas will do. To complete the composition, I framed the arrangement with my beloved Pottery Barn hurricane candle holders, adorned with sculptural green serpentine candles that bring balance and symmetry, gracing the room with luminosity and a quiet old-world romance. Bathed in warm window light, the antique French commode welcomes the return of the green Chinoiserie vase, now filled with cloud-like Snowball Viburnum. I softly finesse the stems until they feel just right. Flowers are the cornerstone of any beautiful vignette, and once they are in place, the rest follows with ease. At the center, I place a vintage brass easel with a floating glass frame, showcasing a pastoral scene of children gathering flowers in the field. To complete the composition, a petite brass lamp brings a gentle glow to the artwork and warmth to the entire scene. My beloved Sonoma Jacquard table runner serves as the versatile foundation for my tablescapes in every season. When winter's veil is gently drawn, the world awakens into dawn. The softest light begins to pour, like golden silk across the floor. The fading gray of winter's rain gives way to light and life again, as budding branches fresh and new unfold beneath a silver dew. The garden poised in quiet bloom, sweet fragrance scenting every room, and every petal, stem, and vine feels touched by beauty's hand divine. There is a romance in the air, a soft and elegance everywhere, a sense of calm, a tender glow, a gentle rhythm, sweet and slow. Each petal seems to catch the light, each breeze a whisper of delight, and every corner, every view feels washed in freshness, pure and new. Spring is the art of life restored, of quiet abundance gently poured, a season made for hearts to see the beauty in simplicity. So let us linger in this light, this lovely hush, this pure delight. For spring arrives with gentle art to mend the earth and warm the heart. And in its peace and bright rebirth, we find new wonder on the earth. As the tablescape unfolds, I balance the composition with candles, spring colors, and a touch of whimsy. Each place setting is crowned with Williams-Sonoma's lattice garden money plates especially procured for this Easter tablescape. An enchanting seasonal detail that brings the whole composition to life. A green toile cotton napkin, gathered with a gold leaf ring, serves as the final embellishment to each place setting. For this second interpretation of the tablescape, I wanted the florals to feel lighter and more delicate, and so bud vases offered the loveliest alternative. Unlike a fuller centerpiece, they require only a modest number of blooms, yet still bring such romance and freshness to the table. Here I am using the Williams-Sonoma Famille Rose bud vases, sold in a set of 3, whose lively shades of green, blush pink, and soft gold feel perfectly suited to spring. I composed them with tulips, ranunculus, and spray roses in shades of pink. The Williams-Sonoma Famille Rose collection also extends beautifully into coordinating dinnerware, serveware, table linens, candles, canisters, and even planters, making it such a charming collection to build upon. Inspired by the historic famille rose tradition in Chinese porcelain, so admired for its soft enamel palette and exquisite rose pink tones, these pieces feel joyful, enchanting, and romantically nostalgic. For this second interpretation, a single bod vase and the moss bunnies gather at the heart of the table, while the remaining pair lends balance at either end. If you enjoyed spending the spring day with me, I would be so grateful if you shared this video with someone who might find beauty and inspiration in it. And if you haven't already, I would love to welcome you as a subscriber to the channel. For more spring and Easter decorating inspiration, I have also linked last year's seasonal videos for you in the description box below. I'll see you in the next one.